Ready? Just shove some more in there. Alright. It's literally full to the max. Minus a few inches. See how that goes. Holy crap. Look, it's just like, what? It's totally full. Alright, so, alright. Shove the thing on the thing. Don't you have to pull the thing back? And push the thing into the thing. Okay, ready? Pull it real quick. Oh my gosh, that was funny.
That was amazing.
That was great. Alright, now let's just do one snowball, see if we can like hit the tree or the chicken house or something. Alright, now we're just gonna reload it. That was awesome! Do 3 snowballs. Jammed into the end of it. Adam is so kindly using his bare hands to do this. It's wonderful. Oh my gosh! That was awesome! We literally shot it into the neighbor's yard. All 3 of them. Alright, ready? Okay. Ready? Yeah, 5 sounds good. I didn't even get it. Oh man, that was awesome. That's got some serious kickback. I know, it's pretty awesome, isn't it? Yeah. It works better than stupid potatoes. Stupid potatoes. The potatoes sucked. I know, the potatoes stink and suck. There's this stupid video game that we played a long time ago, and there was this weapon called the Witch Impaler. And it shot explosive spikes, and they're not going to explode, but we're going to put sticks and snow inside of this, and we're going to shoot it out onto the lake.
We're going to make an impaler.
Yeah, just a regular impaler. Except we're not going to impale anything but the ice. If it even impales the ice. This could be really good or really bad. Yeah, so we have all the sticks kind of like hanging out.
And we've got 5 sticks in there.
Who's going to shoot it?
I don't know.
I have an impaler for you. That was great. That's great. The bazooka. Ready? Aim! Fire! That was great that time I saw the smoke. It's still smoking! Oh! It just came out of the tube! That was hilarious! Yeah, this kickback to that. Oh man, that was hilarious. I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay, I heard that whiz past my head. That is hard. Hit my leg. Didn't hurt at all.
Yeah, I'm sure.
It was like
Like a love tap.
punch too light, Josh. You punched too light. It totally missed me.
I would have hit you over a little bit to the left.
Yeah, it's kind of scary hearing it fly by. Fortunately, none of us got hit. I'm kind of glad because those sounded really heavy.
I'm disappointed. I wanted to get hit by that.
Well, it's like it's like
It's like a scary ride.
yeah, you're
You're scared to go on it, but then once you do it, it's not scary. It's just fun.
you want to get scared, but you don't at the same time.
Sometimes you just gotta do it.
Just do it. You don't want to feel pain, but at the same time you want to get hit.
And what's fun without a little pain, right?
Anyway, goodbye.
Just kidding.
That's it. That concludes our snowball shooting for today.
Yeah.
We have something coming up on Saturday.
Oh, we do. Do we?
Mhm. Yeah,
I don't know what it is.
something with fire.
And raisins. That's all I know.
Secret ingredient. All right, goodbye.
Goodbye.